State lawmakers are set to vote on a proposal that would give the state more control over law enforcement officers. That's a bill that started stirring up controversy on the very first day of the legislative session.
In Washington, county sheriffs are elected. Typically, the candidates have some law enforcement experience, but it's not technically required in order to run for office.
The change proposed here is that in addition, sheriffs undergo a background check, like all the deputies that will be serving under them, as part of qualifying for candidacy and placement on the ballot. The Criminal Justice Training Commission would administer that background check.
House Bill 2027 would require all law enforcement officers to go through background checks, including a polygraph, commonly known as a lie detector test. Advocates say it's important that the state confirm that everybody with a badge is equally trustworthy.
Simply put, it would be good to make sure all of the laws that describe police chiefs, sheriffs, and line officers are saying the same thing and require the same thing.
The Washington State Sheriff's Association is taking a stand against the bill, saying the state constitution puts the hiring and firing of county sheriffs into the hands of voters, and saying that the proposal relies too much on subjective judgments by the Criminal Justice Training Commission to determine if someone is qualified to be sheriff. That letter signed by the sheriffs of Kittitas, Adams, Franklin, and Walla Walla counties.
It was a complete surprise to us to see this bill show up on the hearing schedule and the intro sheets, because we've yet to be approached to have a single conversation about this bill. There are a whole slew of challenges, operational, legal, and otherwise, not the least of which is the sheriff an employee of the county, or do they hold an elective office? Are you all employees of the House, or are you state legislators?
Lawmakers in the House Community Safety, Justice, and Reentry Committee allowed less than 20 minutes of public comment during the hearing last week.